Hey everyone, welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to magically change the background of your videos in Canva, and the best part, you don't even need a green screen or any fancy software. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your footage stand out with any background you can imagine, thanks to Canva's Magic Studio. Perfect for YouTube creators, social media posts, or even just for fun. Let's get right into it. First up, head over to Canva. Just open it up in your browser or the app. If you haven't used Canva for video editing before, no worries. It's super user-friendly and will take it one step at a time. Once you're in, look for the big Create a Design button. Go ahead and click that. Out of the many options, you'll want to select Video. This tells Canva you want to work with video clips and gives you all the video editing features you'll need. Now you'll see a blank project here, where you choose the video you want to edit. You can upload your own clip or select one from Canva's built-in library if you're just practicing. Import your video, then drag and drop it right onto your timeline. Once it's there, right-click or use the menu to set video as background image. This makes your entire canvas the video itself, kind of like laying down your main layer to work from. Here comes the fun part, actually changing the background. To do this, we need to isolate the subject from the background, so the next step is to add another page to your project. Just click the Add Page button. It should be right underneath your current video. On this new page, we're going to paste an image copy of your first page. In Canva, you can do this by clicking on the first page, copying its image, and pasting it onto the new page. Don't worry if this feels a bit odd. What we're doing is creating a still snapshot so we can work some magic on just the subject. Now, with the copied image selected, look for the Background Remover feature, often labeled as BG Remover. Click it and let Canva do its thing. It'll analyze the image and erase the background, leaving only your subject. This process might take a few moments, especially if your image is complex, so don't worry if you have to wait a bit. Once the background is removed, we need to come up with our new custom backdrop. This is where Canva's Magic Media steps in. On the sidebar, go to Apps and find Magic Media. This tool allows you to generate backgrounds with just a few words. For example, you might want a bustling city, a dreamy forest, or a sci-fi spaceship. Type in what you'd like your new background to be, hit Generate, and let Magic Media work its AI magic. This part can take a minute or two, so just relax and think about how cool your video will look. When your generated image pops up, click on it, drag it onto your page, and use the menu to set image's background. Layer your subject right on top, adjust the sizing if needed, and just like that, you've given your video a brand new background without ever needing a green screen. And that's really all there is to it. With Canva and Magic Studio, changing your video backgrounds is quick, creative, and honestly a little addictive. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy and powerful editing tips, and drop any questions or ideas you have down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you and help out. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.